Last one.
Amazon snake cat photo goes viral and then mystifies the internet.
Yeah.
Well,
What do you think about that?
you know that I go on the internet mainly to get mystified
What about unsettled?
and unsettled,
Shocked?
possibly shocked.
Okay.
A photo of the so-called Serpens catus, a feline with black and neon yellow stripes resembling a snake, went viral Tuesday in social media posts claiming it was the rarest species of feline on Earth. Serpens catus is the rarest species of feline. These animals live in hard-to-reach regions of the Amazon rainforest, and therefore they are relatively poorly studied. The first images capturing the snake cat appeared only in 2020. It weighs up to 4 stone, which is 56 pounds. Come on, stop it. That's not real, Will. Get out of here.
It's AI.
You're getting spoofed here, brother. You just got spoofed.
Is this real? I don't know.
I don't think so.
I want to see a video.
Okay, hang on. Scroll down. Obvious fake. No known gene can produce natural hair or fur in those colors. Really rough attempt at a fake Latin name, a second person chimed in. The color and patterns in the photo bear a strong resemblance to reptilian. How do they post stuff like this? Like what? You know?
Well, sometimes it would get me.
Well, apparently
Just looking at this picture.
apparently it did. It did.
I was like,
It's a cool photo, but like immediately my spidey sense is just popping off. I'm like, no.
But when they say it's like the rarest cat on Earth, I mean, there is like maybe a possibility.
Well, I don't know. Keep scrolling down. I mean, at some point they're going to tell us it's bogus, right? The so-called serpent cat slithered its way onto TikTok, where one user claimed he's the next Fantastic Beast, laughed the user referencing Harry Potter spin-off franchises. Snake is found. I don't even know how these things are written. Like,
you don't like how it's written.
Well, look at the comments. The comments are pissed. Use this SHIT for good, not to misinform. Stop sharing bullshit. Yeah, I don't know, dude. It's that's a rough one.
Dude, this could be kind of scary because if, you have enough AI images, you can convince anyone. A lot of these deep fakes, and you can really tell a story on, this cat and the history of it.
Well, the thing is also
what it eats.
Well, the thing is also the way it's represented, right? Once you click on the tweet and you're like, okay, Jeff Kamara just wrote a caption and put a AI generated image of a cat mixed with a snake.
Yeah.
But then the New York Post writes about it, and then we do a clip about it, and then it just goes down and down the rabbit hole. It keeps getting legitimized.
Yeah.
Everybody who talks about it. So, but it's the framing. When you see it framed like this, you're like, maybe it's just,
Medium is the message.
Yeah. So anyway, well, we'll just go ahead and say that our bet is on the lack of existence in reality of the serpent's catus.
Yeah.